Begin standing with your hands in prayer. Inhale, arms up, and slowly exhale down. Allow a moment for your parrot to adjust herself or himself. And put your legs back and lower yourself into plank pose. Exhale down, inhale up into Bhujangasana, cobra pose. Rise, inhale, then exhale into mountain, Parvatasana. Inhale, exhale, feel the stretch of the back of your legs and your back. Inhale, exhale. Inhale your right leg forward and rise up into Warrior One, Virabhadrasana. Exhale into Warrior Two. Inhale, exhale. And back up into Warrior One. And lower arms down. And then exhale your leg back into plank pose. Lower yourself down and rise up into Cobra. Inhale and exhale here. Now twist from the ribs for Tiryaka Bhujangasana. It's twisting Cobra. First to the right, then to the left, holding the breath throughout the pose. Inhale back up into plank. Walk your legs in, adjusting into mountain. And allow your parrot friend to adjust their position. Inhale, exhale, then bring your left leg forward into Warrior One. Inhale, exhale into Warrior Two. Inhale, and bring your leg into Warrior One. And gently exhale down to the floor, into plank. Inhale, exhale down, and then inhale up into Bhujangasana. Exhale here. Inhale, lift up and shift your weight to the left, anchoring the side of the foot onto the floor, and then inhale, raising your arms into the balancing pose, Vashisthasana. Exhale, inhale, and then lower your arm down, return to plank to rest, and shift over to the right side, again for Vashisthasana. Look up to your arm, to your fingertips. Inhale, exhale, and then lower your arm back down and rest in plank. Walk your hands and feet together for forward bending pose. Slowly allowing your POGA companion to adjust his or herself accordingly. Inhale, exhale, take deep relaxing breaths and feel your muscles release. Walk your hands forward and lower your knees for Marjari Asana, cat stretch pose. Inhale while raising the head, exhale while lowering the head and stretching the spine. Inhale, exhale. Check in with your parrot. Are they feeling your connection and breath? Make sure you allow them the space to co-create this experience. Inhale, exhale here. And straighten the knees and slowly stand, allowing your parrot to adjust his or her position. Always be aware of your feathered friend. Inhale, arms up, and exhale down. Walk the feet back to just under your hips And inhale and lift up into the very parrot-friendly Ardha Chandrasana, half moon pose. This is one of Victoria's favorite poses. And inhale, exhale. Really feel the stretch. And then gently lower into Trikonasana. Inhale, exhale, and really feel the twist through your ribs. Breathe. Go back into mountain and switch feet. And switch sides and inhale your leg up and rise into half moon pose, Ardha Chandrasana. Inhale, exhale. Look towards the sky if you can. If you bobble, it's okay. This one's a tough one. And then just lower back down into Trikonasana and breathe. Check in again. Is your POGA companion staying connected? And is your awareness connecting both your movements and theirs? Now stretch into mountain and lower the knees. Slowly adjust your position. And gently stretch back into camel, Ustrasana. This is one of my favorite poses. Really feel the stretch here. Inhale and exhale and allow your body to sink into the position. Inhale. Exhale, and if you feel comfortable, drop your toes down and let your feet be flat. And really feel the stretch all down your front and in your stomach, opening up your ribs. And then walk yourself back up, inhaling slowly, and then lower down onto your mat and rest in Shavasana, dead man's pose. Palms up towards the heavens and allowing your feet to gently roll to the side, opening up your hips. And take a moment and reset your body. Check in with your parrot and align your breath. Breathe slowly in, feeling the breath go all the way down to the tips of your toes, the tips of your fingernails. And exhale slowly back out. Now adjust your position. We're going to raise up into boat pose, Naukasana. Exhale down and inhale up. Both feet and arms up together. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up, keeping the abdomen engaged and strong. Exhale down. Exchange a look with your POGA companion. Confirm your connection visually. Now slide your hands under your bum and inhale for Uttampadasana, raised leg pose. Inhale, exhale, and count to 10. Relax into Shavasana. Now bring your knees together and up. Shift your hips to the left and lower your knees to the right for Supta Uddarakrashasana. Breathe. Really feel the stretch in your rib cage and down to your abdomen, along your hips and down your leg. Now bring your knees up, adjust your hips, and lower to the other side into sleeping abdominal stretch. And breathe into the stretch. Feel it opening up your shoulders, opening up your chest and your neck. And inhale, exhale slowly. Return to the center and lower your legs. Inhale a deep breath. Hold it for 7 counts. And exhale back out. Allow Shavasana, dead man's pose, to fully lengthen your muscles, fully lengthen your breath. Inhale and exhale. Connect your calmness, your peace and Shavasana with your parrot. Feel and share the spirit of peace and relaxation with each other. Wiggle your toes and your fingers. Check in with all of your body. Move your head from side to side. Inhale, exhale deeply. Let your body sink into the floor. Inhale, exhale. Congratulations, you are finished. Reward your Parrot Yoga companion for a wonderful job and be thankful for the opportunity to hold space and share spirit with your kindred being. Hello. I hope that you enjoyed your session of POGA, and I hope that you find yoga with your parrot to be rewarding for you and your bird in both body, mind, and spirit. Until next time, namaste.